Look at this. What is happening? Why it won't play? This says low memory warning. Click the show memory usage button to identify other Adobe applications using significant memory. So you could click it on this corner here and check it out, but you don't have to. Alright, let's solve this problem. Go to Edits, find Purge, then click on All Memory and Disk Cache. Then this will pop up asking you to clear your disk cache. Don't worry, you won't lose anything, so just press OK. And now you can play your video in After Effects. Look at that! It's rendering! One more thing. Go to After Effects, go to Settings, and find Memory and Performance. Make sure your RAM reserved. It's like 12 gigabytes. Basically, it's gonna help you to not receive these problems too often in the future. And if this continues to happen, and after you cleared your memory multiple times, I would suggest restarting your computer, which has been helpful for me many times and worked. Alright, that's it. If there's anything else you need help with, please leave a comment and I will help you. God bless you and empower your creativity.